Today, we're going to show you how to replace the foot lever for the Force Kraken Trolling Motor. We would recommend 2 people for this process. You will need a 4mm hex bit driver, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and the replacement foot lever. Remove the 3 screws securing the right shroud using a 4mm hex bit driver. Remove the right shroud. Repeat this process with the left shroud. Remove the 2 screws holding the latch pusher on the right and left side of the mount using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Pinch and remove the latch pusher from the outside to release it. Repeat this on the opposite side. Remove the tension spring holding on the foot lever. Take note of where the tension spring hook was held. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Pivot the latch pusher linkage on each side of the mount up 45 degrees and slide off to detach the foot lever. Using another person, partially deploy the trolling motor. Then, lift up on the foot lever to release it from the mount. Replace the foot lever. Then, stow the trolling motor and align to the cradle pads. Slide the latch pusher linkage onto the slot of the foot lever at a 45-degree angle and pivot it down to align with the mount slot for it. Ensure the cradle hook is positioned in the slot of the latch pusher linkage. Insert the latch pushers on each side of the mount to the latch pusher linkage. Tighten the 2 screws on each latch pusher using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, attach the 2 tension springs for the foot lever. Now, reattach the left and right shroud. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.